Hello, everyone. Get ready for a wild ride through jaw-dropping traffic mayhem and critical driving lessons. From wrecks to rescues, we're here to educate and thrill. Subscribe for more road safety tips. Everyone's stunned. Pure luck that no one was hurt in this chaotic crash. Grab the camera. A moment so wild, you got to capture it. Stay cautious and gear up for safety. Think steel armor and sturdy boots to protect yourself on the road. Sparks fly as a fiery crash lights up the scene. Talk about a golden disaster. A bus plunges into a river, turning a rescue mission into a heart-pounding race against time. A truck roars to a narrow escape, seconds away from disaster. This high-stakes maneuver isn't for the faint of heart, gutsy but risky. A massive paper roll flattens 5 motorcycles. Bet those riders didn't expect paper to hit that hard. Someone clearly misjudged this emotionally charged wreck. Talk about a roller coaster. An emergency brake saves the day, but a streetlight takes the hit. Lucky no one was hurt. This wreck's so epic, it deserves to be the cover of a rock album. Pure chaos caught on film. Two cars turned the road into a bowling alley, but seriously, those reckless drivers fled without a scratch. In a world where one mistake can spell disaster, piloting a monster truck takes serious skill. They skipped the memo on braking and steering. Ouch, that's gonna hurt. A tow truck makes a sharp left, slamming into a car behind it, flipping and sliding for meters. What looks like a minor skid spirals into chaos, dragging multiple cars into the mess. An oversized load barrels down the road. Size doesn't mess around. A deadly tunnel crash sparks panic, but quick-thinking controllers stop an explosion just in time. A tense chase pins down a fleeing suspect, ensuring safety for all. Justice on wheels. A giant kite crashes onto a brand new car. Talk about a sky-high disaster. A truck stranded mid-road, possibly with a wheel stolen. Crime doesn't pay, but it sure causes chaos. Yikes, that's a surefire way to wreck a vehicle. Reckless moves lead to costly repairs. Don't mess with motorcycles. They're not here to claim territory, but they'll bite back if provoked. A truck's wild ride floods the road with fuel, a close call with a winged hazard in tow. Oh damn! A crash so shocking, it leaves everyone speechless. That cable looks ready to snap. My heart's racing just watching. A yellow car dances like it's grooving to a beat. Too bad the road's not a dance floor. A reckless driver darts across train tracks as a train barrels in, smashing the vehicle and dragging it 10 meters. Mishaps strike when you least expect. Always stay vigilant on the road. A furious wife rams her husband's car after a late night out, wrecking both vehicles and their relationship. A car plummets off a cliff, flipping multiple times before stopping. A terrifying tumble. Guess what's happening? This wreck's about to blow your mind. Love this chaos? Subscribe now and drive carefully. Stay safe out there, folks. Two luxury cars collide at a dimly lit intersection at night. Wealth can't dodge wrecks. Watch out when leaving a parking lot. Don't let your car roll out alone or you're courting disaster. A criminal's car crash becomes an accidental escape. Talk about a twisted getaway. Drop a comment below about a traffic mishap or a call for safe driving. Let's spread the word. That's a wrap on this insane road trip. Drive smart, stay alert, and subscribe for more tips to rule the road. Share your wildest traffic stories below, and we'll catch you next time.